A few years ago, scientists measured a tiny piece of an atom and got the wrong answer. The internet lost its mind. New forces, hidden physics, Nobel Prizes. The real explanation is way funnier. Stick around. Quick refresher, every atom has a tiny ball in the middle called a proton. For 50 years, scientists had two totally different ways of measuring how big it was, and they agreed the proton was a certain size. Done. Textbook. Then a team tried a third way. They built a weird version of a hydrogen atom using a heavier cousin of the electron called a muon. Basically the same particle, but chunkier. A chunkier particle hugs the proton tighter so it can feel its size better, like the difference between measuring a watermelon with your hands versus a hug. The new measurement came back. The proton was 4% smaller than everyone thought. 4% sounds small. In physics, it's a screaming red alarm. Either the proton actually changes size depending on what's looking at it, which would break basically everything we know, or somebody messed up. The internet picked option 1, new mystery force, physics is broken, hundreds of papers, documentaries, years of hype. Meanwhile, a smaller group of scientists was politely asking a different question. What if the old measurements were just wrong? Here's the thing nobody tells you. You can't actually measure the proton directly. It's too small. So scientists measure stuff around it and draw a line through their data to guess the real answer. And it turns out the way they were drawing that line for 50 years was a little too loose. When they went back and drew it more carefully, the proton shrank to exactly the size the muon experiment said. Then they redid the old hydrogen measurements with better lasers. Same thing, smaller, smaller, smaller. In 2018, the international group that decides the official sizes of things in physics quietly updated the proton, made it 4% smaller. No press conference, no apology, just a new number in the book. The whole physics is broken story never happened. The real story is that thousands of scientists had been confidently wrong for 50 years, and it took one weird experiment to catch them. The lesson? When something seems impossible in science, the answer is almost never magic. It's usually that someone, somewhere, was a little sloppier than they admitted.